Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Ped Egg Replacement Blades is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked items for maintaining smooth, callus-free feet at home, and today we're diving deep into what makes a set of replacement blades truly stand out from the crowd. We'll be exploring the key features that ensure a close, comfortable shave without irritation, helping you achieve that salon-quality pedicure in the comfort of your own bathroom. Get ready to discover the secrets to effortless foot care and say goodbye to rough patches for good. Number 5. Colossal Foot Rasp and Wood Handle Callus Shaver. Are you struggling with dry, rough skin on your feet? Say goodbye to uncomfortable calluses and hello to smoother, softer skin. Discover the ultimate solution for foot care. This powerful tool is designed to effectively remove dead skin and leave your feet feeling revitalized. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It provides a gentle yet effective exfoliation for a professional pedicure experience. This comprehensive kit comes with 10 replacement heads and a file, ensuring long-lasting use. You'll have everything you need for continuous foot care. Crafted with a sturdy wood handle, it offers a comfortable and secure grip. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver for precise results. Experience the transformation to incredibly smooth and soft feet. It effectively tackles even the toughest calluses, revealing healthier-looking skin. What we like? This tool offers a professional-grade experience with its sturdy wood handle and multiple interchangeable heads. If you're looking for a robust and long-lasting solution for tough calluses, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prefer a manual, high-control method for foot care. What people say. The blades are sharp and effective for removing dead skin. They fit perfectly into the Ped Egg device and work as expected. Easy to replace and maintain the effectiveness of the tool. Number 4. Ped Egg Classic Foot File. Are you struggling with rough, dry skin and stubborn calluses? It's time to reveal the soft, smooth feet you deserve. Get ready for a transformation. Meet the revolutionary tool designed to gently and effectively tackle your foot care needs. It's the easy way to achieve salon-quality results at home. With its innovative design, it safely and painlessly removes dead skin and tough calluses. You'll be amazed at how smooth your feet feel without any discomfort. Featuring 135 precision microblades, it works efficiently to exfoliate and refine your skin. Experience the difference that expert craftsmanship makes. No more mess. This clever design traps all the shavings inside, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy a clean and refreshing experience every time you use it. Rediscover the joy of soft, touchable feet. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to achieve visibly smoother and healthier-looking skin. What we like? Experience safe and painless callus removal with its innovative design that traps shavings. If you're concerned about nicks and cuts or messy cleanups, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those seeking a gentle yet effective way to achieve smooth feet at home. What people say. This thing is great. It safely and painlessly scrapes away all the tough, dry, dead skin on my feet without any irritation. The shavings stay trapped inside so there's no mess to clean up. Super easy to use and works better than other files I've tried. I started with heels that could grate cheese and ended up with feet so smooth, I almost slid right out of my socks. Number 3. Amope Pedi Electronic Foot File Replacement Roller Heads. Are you struggling with rough, calloused skin on your feet? Our replacement roller heads are designed to effectively buff away dead skin, revealing smoother, softer feet. These extra-coarse roller heads provide powerful exfoliation. They are perfect for tackling even the toughest areas, ensuring a thorough pedicure experience. Designed for a perfect fit, these refills are simple to attach to your electronic foot file. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement process and get back to pampering your feet. With 12 heads included, you'll have a long-lasting supply for continuous foot care. Keep your feet feeling smooth and revitalized for weeks to come. These refills are compatible with your Amope Pedi Electronic Foot File. They offer the same great performance you expect, ensuring your device works effectively. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Our roller heads help you maintain beautiful, healthy-looking feet with ease. What we like? These extra-coarse refill heads are designed for maximum power against stubborn calluses. If you have very thick, hardened skin that other files struggle with, these are your go-to. They are ideal for users who already own a compatible electronic file and need aggressive exfoliation. What people say. Fits PedEgg Power. Ordered to try out since it was a great price. Was very hard to find on Amazon anything that said it would fit the PedEgg Power. Even this item stated it would only fit or be only compatible with Amope, which further confused me. Hope this helps other owners of the PedEgg Power. Ignore the description that says only compatible with Amope. Shouldn't bother seller that it can be used with PedEgg Power. Each of these fit correctly and securely into the base unit. The actual roller tested did function in an acceptable manner and was determined to be a worthwhile purchase. Excellent buy-in, works as well as the one that comes with the original Amope machine. Number 2. Replacement roller heads for electric callus remover. Achieve smoother, softer feet with our replacement roller heads. Designed for your electric callus remover, they offer a gentle yet effective way to care for your feet. Choose from 3 distinct textures: extra coarse for tough calluses, regular coarse for general smoothing, and fine for a polished finish. Get the perfect pedicure every time. These refill rollers are designed for a seamless fit with your electric callus remover. Simply swap them out for a hassle-free and convenient pedicure experience. Crafted for durability, these roller heads ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy consistent results and maintain your feet's health with each use. Say goodbye to rough skin and hello to beautifully smooth feet. Our replacement rollers are the perfect addition to your foot care routine. Keep your electric callus remover in top condition with these essential refill rollers. They are the ideal solution for maintaining salon-quality results at home. What we like. Get a versatile pedicure experience with this pack offering various grit options. If you like to customize your exfoliation from coarse to fine, this set is perfect. It's suitable for anyone looking for a cost-effective way to maintain smooth feet with different levels of exfoliation. What people say. These keep my feet claws-free and dry skin around my toes clean. Very good quality product. They don't need to be changed out too often. With 6 replacement roller heads included, I have more than enough to last me a long time, saving me the hassle of constantly purchasing individual replacements. Whether I'm dealing with tough calluses or just need a gentle touch-up, there's a roller head for every need. From extra coarse to fine, these replacement heads ensure that I can customize my foot care routine to achieve the perfect results every time. The quality of these replacement roller heads is top-notch. They're durable and long-lasting, withstanding repeated use without losing their effectiveness. Plus, they're easy to install and remove, making maintenance a breeze. You get 6 of these rollers for a good price. They fit the callus remover very well. So they were made for it. The stones are coarse to fine, last a long time, and have no issues. In fact, the coarse roller, the one I use most, has lasted longer than the original and does a great job grinding down a problematic nail on my big toe. Number 1. PedEgg Power Cordless Callus Remover. Are you struggling with calluses and dry skin? Do you wish for smoother, softer feet? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the PedEgg Power, your new go-to for foot care. This innovative device is designed to tackle tough skin with ease. With 2,000 RPMs of spinning action, it quickly and effectively removes calluses and dry skin. Experience a powerful yet gentle exfoliation. It features a bright LED light, ensuring you can see exactly where you're working. This allows for precise and safe callus removal. Its easy grip ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Get ready to reveal smooth, soft feet you'll love to show off. It's the effortless way to pamper your feet and restore their natural beauty. What we like. This motorized device provides powerful, high-speed exfoliation with the convenience of an ergonomic handle and a helpful LED light. If you want a quick and efficient way to remove calluses with minimal effort, this is an excellent option. It's best for those who appreciate modern technology for effortless grooming. What people say. The blades are sharp and effective at removing dead skin. They fit perfectly into my PedEgg device and work just as well as the original blades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.